If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on Deliveroo, follow these steps to regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Open a Deliveroo app or website. Launch the Deliveroo app on your mobile device or visit the Deliveroo website on your computer. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Log into your account if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section, usually found in the menu or profile area. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on this option to access your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Choose Reset option. Within the two-factor authentication settings, find the option to reset or disable two-factor authentication. Click on this option to initiate the reset process. Step 5. Follow verification steps. You may be required to verify your identity through email or SMS. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process, and then set up your two-factor authentication again if necessary. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication should be reset, allowing you to secure your account once more. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Deliveroo's customer support for further assistance.